Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find salaries in Indeed. To find your salaries in Indeed, basically all you have to do is go to the top right corner of your screen. You'll find the three sandwich button in the top right corner. And then you'll find salaries just below company reviews. So we just press that, and then here you'll have to enter what type of job, skill, or certification you have. So let's just go with general manager for now. And then here you're just gonna have to enter the place that you want to see your salaries. So here basically, as you can see, there's a $61,407 per year average base salary for this type of job in this certain place. You can always switch it up with skills and jobs and other things too. So you can have a general discussion here on what types of things you'll be doing, and even the years of experience you will have to get this certain amount per year. So there you go guys, that is how you find your Indeed salaries here in your Indeed application. So you can also do this in your desktop and also your browser. So again, top right corner, find salaries, and there you go. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.